I'm here with Dan from Roof Maxx, and I want to know, and everybody wants to know, is it safe for you?
Well, that's one of the great things about Roof Maxx. This product is safe for the planet. It's safe for your pets. It's safe for your plants, right? We do our best, of course, to avoid any overspray, and we're happily rinse things off before and after if need be. But this is a non-toxic product, non-corrosive product, very safe. Now, it's actually a food-grade oil. I don't recommend drinking it. I never have, but,
Yeah, let's not do
it's
that.
a very, very safe product.
Okay, and is there a warranty on this?
Absolutely. We'll give you a 5-year warranty stating that, hey, our product is going to stay in your shingles, keeping them flexible, keeping them pliable, get you 5 more years of life, and it's a repeatable process, of course.
Okay.
You can do this up to 3 times, almost doubling the life of your roof if we're lucky.
Yeah, a lot less expensive that way, right?
Absolutely.
And if they mention RES TV,
We're going to give you 10% off. Just say that you saw us on the Real Estate Showcase.